My name is Richard Seff. I'm an estate planning attorney, and one of the questions I frequently get from clients and prospects is, why should I use your estate planning services? How are you different from other estate planning services? Well, explaining to you how we're different really requires an explanation of what the quote, traditional, end quote, experience with a lawyer is like. During the traditional experience, you'll go in and meet up with a lawyer who oftentimes make things seem very complicated and confusing. You know what I mean. Lawyer talk. You'll have a good idea that the lawyer is smart, seems to know what he's doing, so you'll nod and answer questions as if you understand everything. Because you want to do the right thing for your family. You'll have the lawyer prepare documents for you. You'll sign the documents, feeling relieved that you got that taken care of. You'll take your fancy planning binder home, stick it on a shelf somewhere in your bedroom probably, mark estate planning off on your checklist as done, and never think about it again. You might remember your lawyer said something about moving your bank accounts into the trust. So you'll go to the bank, forget what you're supposed to do, call your lawyer's office, of course get a voicemail, have to leave the bank, and wait for a call back, which takes several hours at least, and sometimes days. And by that time, you've gotten busy with other things, and you never get around to moving that bank account, which could mean a disaster later on. To make matters worse, a few weeks later, you'll get a bill in the mail for $67.50 for 15 minutes of your lawyer's time for answering a couple of questions. You'll make a mental note. Don't call lawyer ever again, which could also spell disaster for your estate plan.